Temple International Development. Designing and building because everyone's building is their temple. Project East Mount Haven Development.
Everything's Pier, ready for pour. Gate 42. Foundation, ready for pour, reinforced with 3. Number 3 rebar. Ready for pour.
Where the sun bows out of sight.
88, 40.
Shadows dancing whisper low.
Ready for pour.
So
2 piers, foundation, cement piers, reinforced with number 3.
dreams wrapped in a velvet hug.
88, 44.
Every moment feels like
88,
us.
48.
So
Ready for cement pour.
painted in gold.
42 piers, reinforced with number 3. Rebar, ready for 4. 88, 48.
Night is born from
Street.
fading fire.
Got foundation,
Stars climb
site work.
high, aspire.
88, 40.
Echoes hum where love is
88,
spun.
50.
Every color melts so slow,
Site prep, ready
like rivers where the
Pier.
sun sets go.
Pier for these 2 lots. Both lots.
So
42 piers,
painted in gold and dust.
ready for pour.
Dreams wrapped in a velvet hug.
88, 50.
Every moment feels like us. So painted in gold and dust. Can you hear the sky breathing?
88, 42.
Soft sigh. A
Foundation,
tender hymn with the art, the brush,
ready for pour.
the space.
Head, ready for pour. 42 piers, foundation, cement piers, reinforced with number 3. Rebar, 88, 44. We have 88, 48.